check this out. It's going to be basically how to um, how to make a shape or a design transparent or like see-through or something like that. So here goes. And so what I'm planning to do with this one here, and this is actually kind of like a last minute thing, as I was designing something. So I thought about, oh, I should probably make a tutorial about this because I'm pretty sure there's a few people out there that are wondering how to do this. So check this out. What I'm going to do is basically putting this sound wave symbol inside this heart, and then making the sign the sound wave see-through. So here goes. So I got just a couple of these Google pictures, pretty much PixArt. So what I'm gonna do first is, I'm gonna make this invisible, so we could just focus on the sound wave. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to get a selection from what I have right now with the sound wave. So I'm just selecting all parts of the sound wave design. I'm gonna go right click down to copy, layer via copy, and there is our sine wave right there. So I could take this one out for now. You can still see our sine wave. I'm gonna actually take this background off so you can see what's going on. So there we have our sine wave. We go Command T. We have full liberty to do whatever we want with it. It is a cutout now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring back this emoji heart, and I'm gonna basically center this. It's super easy. Check this out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna resize it because I kind of want to make this a little bit bigger. Here we go. That looks about right. So this is the. All right, a little bit more down actually. Yep, that looks good. Okay, cool. So this is the interesting part. So I'm gonna re-select it. Select, 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 select. All right. I'm going to mute it or take the visibility off so we could just see the selection. Go highlight the emoji heart and check this out. Go into background eraser tool. You click it because you're on top of the heart layer. You go to, it says rasterize the smart object. Click OK. Now you freely just boop, hover over everything. Make sure everything is erased, and then and actually there you go. It's a see-through. Basically, it's just the you're just erasing the design that was on top of it. So now it's literally a see-through design, transparent. So you could do what you want with it. Put it on top of a background. Say for example, you put this black background again, and it will be see-through. So there you go. Have fun.